Remember guys, in lecture 3 we set a preference. Let me remind you. You went to Edit or After Effects CC if you are on the Mac, and you went to Preferences, and then there in the General you set the preference here, Set Default Spatial Interpolation to Linear. I had asked you to check it. It means it's going to create all the motion path as linear. So the effect was, if you create a simple animation just like this, put the anchor point in the middle and go to Position, Open P, and start the animation with the position. Then after some time, using the selection tool, we move our layer. You notice that the motion path is linear, and the keyframes also, if you right click now, you go to keyframe interpolation, you notice they are both linear. Mainly the spatial one is linear. Cool. This was the effect of this preference where the motion path is linear and you didn't have any handles. But now let's delete the shape layer to delete the whole animation. Go back to Edit, go back to Preferences, and then in General we want to uncheck it. Okay, so now it's unchecked. You have upgraded your knowledge and you know everything about spatial and temporal interpolation. Now if you create an animation just like this, put the anchor point in the middle and then use the position, for example, keyframe here, and go after a few seconds using the selection tool and just moving it, you notice that you have the handles here. If you select your keyframes, right click, go to keyframe interpolation, they are auto Bezier. Of course, if you change now the handles, okay, here you are. This is the pro way to work, is to have always the handles. You can now design your motion path. So when you uncheck the preference, the path will always be created in auto Bezier. You can right click and change that if you like. You come to keyframe interpolation. Now you know you can have continuous Bezier, linear, or Bezier, or auto Bezier, whatever you like. So this is the way to start working with the path, is to uncheck the preference and have a Bezier or auto Bezier path, and you can now manipulate the keyframes the way you would like. Now it's time for you to go to Preference and uncheck, so we work always with the Bezier motion path. I will see you in the next lecture.